If you are planning to get married in Charleston, Greenville, Richland, or anywhere in South Carolina, you need to apply for your marriage license through a county probate court. But did you know that you can claim a $50 state income tax credit just for preparing for your marriage? Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact South Carolina marriage license process, what documents you need, and the step-by-step requirements to ensure your application goes smoothly. First, let's look at the costs. Unlike some states, South Carolina marriage license fees vary wildly depending on the county you apply in and whether you are an in-state resident, ranging anywhere from $35 to over $120. However, under South Carolina Code Section 20-1-230, if you complete an approved 6-hour premarital course before applying, you are legally entitled to a $50 non-refundable state income tax credit. You just need to hand the court your certificate so they can process it alongside your application. Next, let's talk about the specific requirements, especially if you are planning a destination wedding in a place like Charleston. You do not need to be a resident of South Carolina to get a marriage license here. Even better, once a South Carolina probate court issues your license, it is valid for a ceremony anywhere within the state. You and your partner just need to be at least 18 years old, and in most counties, you must apply together in person. To qualify for your $50 tax credit, you must take a state-approved premarital course. By law, the South Carolina course must be a minimum of 6 hours long. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is highly affordable at just $25.49. Because the state strictly demands a physical, notarized signature on your completion form, we will officially notarize and mail your hard copy certificate to you immediately after you finish. When you are ready to apply, you and your partner will generally need to appear together in person at a South Carolina probate court during regular weekday business hours. Hand the clerk the physical, notarized Cadenza Counseling certificate we mailed you, along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, and your social security cards. They will process your application and certify your paperwork so you can easily claim your $50 tax credit during tax season. To secure your official notarized certificate and claim your $50 South Carolina tax credit, click the link in the description below to register for our premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace from anywhere, and we will get your hard copy in the mail right away. If you have any questions about the South Carolina marriage license process or the probate court rules, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.